Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Plout Bonfire reviews. This video will help you know whether this product is legit or a scam one. If you haven't purchased this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your question. Should I go for this product or not? Friends, if you have experienced any fraud over this video till end, as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But guys, before sharing the way, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see this is the picture of the product. It's a bonfire. It's a large smokeless fire pit kit. Guys, this kit comes with a lot of benefits for you all. If you want to look for some extra time outside and create some memories with your friends and family, you can have this bonfire placed in the cold summer nights and you can spend a quality time with your close ones. Guys, it will help you remove your stress and the time you waste on technology, screen time and TV. You can reduce it all. This product comes with fast delivery and 100% customer satisfaction along with money back guarantee. Guys, this product has 3 years warranty and shipping is free worldwide. Also, they are offering 100% money back guarantee and the delivery time they have mentioned is 7 to 15 days for the product. But guys, make sure that you know all the legitimacy checkpoints before you buy this product. So I'm going to talk about the legitimacy checkpoints along with the specifications and uses of the product. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Well, moving further guys, here you can see how quality time you can spend with your family during chilly winters if you have this bonfire at your place. This is a smokeless fire pit and it is different from other fire pits because it is made up of a patented technology that has been perfected into a portable fire pit to take along on trips, or you can enjoy it at home. The best part is that nearly no smoke and only fine ash left over, making the bonfire not only easy to clean up, but it won't leave you smelling like a campfire. This bonfire gets its power from logs and creates a secondary burn with a beautiful flame which your family and friends can enjoy anytime. Moving further guys, here you can see that this product has some exceptional features, like it has a portable firepower, it has less smoke and more flame. Plus, you can see that it has a more efficient burn. It will not have any shuffling from the smoke. It is easy to use and most importantly portable. Moving further guys, I will talk about the unique construction. As you can see, it is uniquely designed and specialized so that you can get a beautiful single unit fire. Its setup is simple as flipping the ring on top. Now I will talk about the usage of the product and its working. Guys, its working is very simple. The bonfire, it took years to develop, but it won't bore you with all the engineering talk. The highlights are that bonfire sends air to all parts of the fire. Extra air means the hotter fire. Hotter fire means less smoke, and less smoke means for more fun with your family. Here you can see the whole process of this fire burn. Technical specifications, if I talk, the material is made up of 304 stainless steel. The fuel is chunk wood, heavy duty carry case included for free, built to last for a long time. You can see the size, it's 17 inches round on the diameter, 14 inches is the height, and you can see the 19.5 inches is the round bottom of the product. Well guys, these were the technical points and specifications of the product. Talking about the customer review, I would like to say that this product is new guys, and so not much customer reviews were available. Also, the presence of social media is not there. Moreover friends, you will also find that this website which is selling the product is only 2 months old, and so we cannot guarantee about the authenticity of the product this website is selling. Yes, there are many other bonfire which you can buy online or offline, So for now, I would not suggest you all to go for this product as we are not sure about its legitimacy. Guys, if you have purchased the product from the site, please help us know more about the product. Thank you, friends. Now it's time to reveal the money back option. Well, friends, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. Please comment your thoughts over this video. We value all your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe and be informed. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.